In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage transactions on Coinbase with ease. If you're looking to make deposits or withdrawals in either cryptocurrency or fiat, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, you're going to start by logging into your Coinbase account. Now, if you're new to Coinbase, remember to keep your login details secure. A strong password is essential in protecting your accounts. Once you've logged in, look for the advanced option. This is usually in your dashboard or main menu area. Clicking on this will open up more detailed options for managing your portfolio. Next, you'll want to navigate to your portfolio. Think of your portfolio as a summary of all your holdings on Coinbase. It's a centralized spot where you can see everything you own, track their real-time values, and initiate any buying, selling, or transferring activities. Once you're in your portfolio, you'll notice the option to either deposit or withdraw. Go ahead and click on that option. Now, this will bring up two distinct choices, crypto or fiat. It's important to note what you're planning on moving or receiving. Crypto generally refers to digital currencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, while fiat refers to traditional currencies like USD or EUR. After choosing between crypto or fiat, you will need to enter the amount you'd like to deposit or withdraw. It's crucial here to double check the amount you're entering, make sure there are no extra zeros or missed decimals. These can lead to errors that are either frustrating or costly. Along with the amount, you will also specify the destination of the funds. This could be a crypto wallet or a bank account. If you're transferring to an external wallet, make sure the address is correct, as transactions to the wrong address can't be undone. Similarly, with a bank account, ensure all details are accurate to avoid any complications. Once you've filled in all necessary information, confirm the transaction. Before you click confirm, take a moment to review your transaction details again. Double check everything from the amount to the receiving address or account number. This extra step could save a lot of trouble later. After confirming, it'll be time to wait for the transaction to complete. The processing time can vary. For crypto, it often depends on network congestion, whereas for fiat transfers, it may depend on bank processing times. During this waiting period, it's a good practice to keep an eye on your email for any confirmations or updates from Coinbase. They often notify you about the transaction status, and it helps you stay informed about where your funds are in the transfer process. And that's it. You've successfully managed a transaction on Coinbase, adding to your confidence and efficiency in handling digital finances. Thank you for following along today, and I hope this guide was helpful. Happy trading.